Hey, what's up guys? Pokemon with you today, and in this video we're going to open this big treasure chest. So, it says that it's packed with Pokemon treasures. It includes 3 full cards featuring Hisuian Voltorb, Hisuian Growlithe, and Hisuian Sneasel, 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and much more. So, let's get right into it. When we open it, we see these 3 little cards. They're so cute. And this coin. Wow, that's very beautiful. I really like this. First is Growlithe. Here he is, that little fiery pup. Sneasel, like a ninja or something like that. And Voltorb, very exclusive ball. Explosive. So, this is the 3 promo cards that we get. Let's see all this stuff, and then we're going to open some packs. So, there are some stickers. They're pretty good looking. 2 sheets of those and 2 of those. Then this book, which contains... that's just a notebook. You can write your things down there. And I don't know what's this. I want to open this thing. And this is a mini binder. That's great. That's great. Oh, it contains very much space. That's good. So let's open some Pokemon packs. Here they are. 2 Silver Tempest, 2 Astral Radiance, and 1 Fusion Strike. I want to begin with Fusion Strike. Let's open that one. Oh man. Code card white. I can't expect something good from this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see. Leaf Energy, Crocodile, Darkrai, Delcatty, Buenary, Totodile, Toxel, Sligip, Stuffle, Mantine, and Oricorio. This artwork looks great. Oh, and it's Fusion Strike. Good. Mantine is a nice Holomorph, by the way. So let's open the Astral Radiance next. Man, it's hard. Right, I'm going to open it like this. Yeah, this. Let's see. White code card. Again, nothing good, nothing special. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moon Energy. Oh, Dark Energy, sorry. Then Trainer Choi. Yanmiga. Gupper Jabog. Hisuian Sneasel. Bro, we already have that. What the heck? Look, they're just the same. What the hell? Right, then we get Miss Jawarius, Barbroach, Scythe, Eevee. Oh, the one is so cute. Golduck, again, very good reverse. And Leafeon. Oh, yes, we get an evolution. That's good, that's good. Then I want to open a Silver Tempest pack. You see Miss Javarius, little buddy. Artwork is nice. Oh, white code card again. What the hell? This is unlucky day. Code card. Oh man, I forgot to do 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a V-Star. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's go. So as I mentioned before, there's that V-Star. Then Slurpuff. Leafy Camo Poncho. Ninetales, such a beautiful artwork. Miss Divarius, Wallimare, Murkrow, that's beautiful too. Emolga, Meditite, Krokorok Reverse, and Film. This star is actually great. Then I want to open Astral Radiance again with that Palkia over there. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So when I open this, I already can see a hood. So let me get the cards out of this pack. It's very hard. I'm gonna rip this pack all out. White coat card again? The hell? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Psychic Energy. Noctowl. Oh, it looks like an evolution. Hippowdon. Drifblim. Hoot. Poniard. Oh, great artwork. Puccina. Yamna. Again, I got an evolution. Drifloon, Magneton Reverse, and Shane. Again, nothing good. I hope that Silver Tempest will have something good in it, because 3 packs, only V-Star marker, I gotta get something better. Right. White again? Oh, nothing good from this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Psychic Energy, Toxicroak, looks good. Dragonair, also beautiful. Palasand, Chimecho, Feebas, Fennekin. Oh, the little one is so cute. Spinarak, Beldum. Oh, Milotic! Wow! Bro! That's so beautiful! I don't know the price of it, but I think it's very expensive. Look! Oh my, and Noivern. I don't know how much this costs, but that looks very beautiful, bro! Look! I think that's very rare. That's good, let's go! So, I can show you some cards that I'll put in this little binder, and I'm going for them in a second. So, I filled this binder a little bit. Maybe I'm going to fill it more later. So, that was all for today. And remember, you can subscribe whenever you want. And you can always unsubscribe. So, that was all for today. Bye! See ya!